Hello, congrats on being a group leader. This tutorial is to show you what your responsibilities are and how to achieve them. There's just a few elements and we'll go over them right now. First, if you click on your content, we'll scroll down because you will be in lesson 4 or 4 through 14. What you can do is one of your first responsibilities is to post the discussion threads so everybody in the group can comment on each of the questions. In order to set the discussion board, you'll need to scroll down here to this lesson 4 Teach One Another discussion topic. If you click on that, just click on Start a New Thread. And then the best way to do this is to have two windows, the window that you're creating the threads, and then another window that has the actual questions. The actual questions you'll see are in lesson 4 or whatever lesson we're in, and will be the Teach One Another web page. So if you click on that, you'll be able to see all of the discussion questions. So to get the discussion questions that you see here on the other window, in the title of your discussion thread that you're creating, just put question 1. And then in the body of it, you need to go over to your other window and highlight the first question and copy it, and then paste it over into that thread, and then click on Post. Let's do it one more time just for practice. So click on Start a New Thread, and then you'll type in the title or the subject of the thread is question 2. You'll go to your other window and highlight the second question, copy and paste, and there's the second question. And you scroll down and click on Post. Now, say there's a problem and you see a typo or a mistake. All you have to do is click on the little arrow next to the thread that you want to edit and click on Edit Thread. You can fix the wording or whatever you need to do. And then down here, click on Update. And that will update your questions that you need. For the next part, responsibility, go back into the content section. And at the very bottom of the lesson, you'll see group submission. Your job as a group leader is to look at all of the responses to each of your threads, and there will be a little plus sign, and that will give everyone the opportunity to vote or like on the very best response. Your job is to go and look at the essays that receive the most votes or likes and consolidate all of the thread responses, the best responses, into one document. That one document, you can come in here and submit it to the group submission. This is due every Saturday at 10:59 p.m. The last responsibility as a group leader is to do the peer assessment. Now the peer assessment is in the same lesson. At the very bottom, again, you'll see there's the group submission here. The peer assessment is basically you go and you rate your group mates on how much they participated. Did they get their 3 to 5 responses in? Did they participate in the discussion board? Did they help you edit? A lot of times when you get the most voted for essays, they need to be polished a little bit, or responses, essays or responses. And those most voted for maybe need a little bit of polish or a little bit of editing. I highly recommend that you recruit your group mates to help you edit it. I've seen them assigned out. I've seen the people just ask for volunteers. Both options work. So the peer assessment, you can download the worksheet, put everyone's name, and then you can rate them between 0 and 10. 0 is no participation at all, and 10 is they participated like they were supposed to, they responded, they helped you edit, they did everything that they needed to do. And then also submit that on Saturday. I know the first week is a little bit overwhelming, but don't worry, you'll soon be an expert, and you'll be able to do everything that you need to. So in summary, you need to post a discussion thread by Tuesday afternoon. At the end of the week, look at all of the threads that have the plus sign and or the responses in the threads to see which ones have the plus sign. Get the very best ones, edit and have help editing the very best responses, and then consolidate them in one document so that you can submit them group submission. And then the last one is the peer assessment rating your group members. If you have any questions, please let me know, but I know that you'll be able to do this. Have a good day.